Hey there, drone fans. Rick here again from Drone Valley. Today is day 7 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways, and today's present is a mystery drone. And I've got it on the floor here next to me, and I promise I'll get it up on the desk in a second, but I'd like to build a little bit of mystery into this. So first, why did one of Santa's elves go to the podiatrist? Because he had a really bad case of mistletoe. On the 7th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new mystery drone. Now, I'm going to bring it up here in a second, but again, building mystery here. The drone is unbelievably cool. It's going to blow your mind. You're going to think, Rick, how did you possibly put a gift like that together? Well, our good friends over at DJI, I guess I spoiled the surprise there, but our good friends over at DJI watched the channel and they said, you've got a lot of viewers that really interact with you. They seem really excited about drones. How do we get in on that 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways? And I'm like, send me a drone and I'll give it away in the channel. And that's exactly what they did. So this drone is hands down the most professional, sophisticated drone we've ever given away. And I guarantee you it's going to blow your mind. Now we have other stuff coming. There's some cool stuff coming, but this is unbelievably cool. So let me get it up on the table. It's a brand new Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. That's right, there it is right there. It's a complete kit. So you get the drone and you get the upgraded controller. There's 2 controllers available for this. One of them you snap your phone in. This one has the one with the high definition screen on it. So you basically power up the drone, power up the controller, and go fly. There's no cables to fiddle around with. You don't have to worry about your phone being updated and having the application on it. It just works right out of the box. It's a phenomenal drone. Now, specification-wise, you're thinking, okay, it's a fixed frame drone. It's a little bit older. Forget about that. It's got a 1-inch sensor, 20 megapixel pictures. It'll shoot 4K 60 frames a second, which is phenomenal. For me, it's my go-to drone because it's got a mechanical shutter. A lot of the newer drones have digital shutters, and if you're flying fast, you get a little bit of wobble in the picture. This one is crisp in the air. It's also incredibly stable, so a lot of their drones that are smaller tend to get buffeted around in the sky. This one's going to stay right where you put it, so it really is the ultimate flying package out there. In addition to that, it's using OcuSync technology, which gives you, I'm laughing because it gives you 4 miles of connection. Now again, we have visual line of sight requirements in the US, so I don't want to be your dad, but you're not supposed to fly further than you can see it. The good news is, it's white, and it's a little larger than most of the other drones, so you can see it a little bit further away. So have fun with it, fly it close enough where you can keep an eye on it. You'll get 30 minutes of flight time out of it on a fully charged battery, so it really is everything you want. It's the ultimate drone, and we're giving it away here on the channel. Now, it couldn't be easier to enter the contest, like I say every time. If you click the link below, there are 2 things we're going to ask for, your email address and your subscriber name. And please be subscribed to the channel. I'd hate to give this away to somebody that's kind of looped in, saw the giveaway, won the drone, and it shows up on eBay or something. I don't want to do that. I really want to give this to somebody that's flying out there that really is looking for a drone. Maybe it's your first drone, or maybe you've had other drones and you want to upgrade. This is the perfect drone for you. So hopefully we're going to give it away to a subscriber. But anyway, enter your email address and your subscriber name, and we'll keep those for 7 days. After 7 days, we close the contest down. I'll pull a name out at random. I'll shoot you an email and I'll say, hey, you won the Phantom 4 Pro V2.0. Send me your address. We're going to put this thing in a little bigger box. We're going to ship it to you directly. There's no charge for shipping. There's no shenanigans. We're not going to keep your email address or your subscriber name. We get rid of those. But I'm just really, really excited to be able to give this kind of drone out to one of the viewers on the channel because we so appreciate the support you've shown us this year. We just love the fact that you're interacting with the team. You're asking questions, which are really smart. We're giving you information. Hopefully you're getting a lot of value of what we're providing. And Christmas time for me, it's just a blessed time of year. And I know it's been a really difficult year for everybody out there, but I'm hoping that by running these contests every year, we do it 12 days in a row, that we're bringing a little bit of joy into your life. And maybe for that brief moment in your life, you're smiling a little bit. You're listening to the goofy jokes, you're hearing my bad singing, and you're smiling because that's all we're trying to do is to spread that joy at this time of year when I know everybody's been kind of under a lot of pressure. So hopefully this brightens somebody's day a little bit. Anyway, again, I don't care where in the world you live. It's open worldwide. You could live in a submarine at the bottom of the Marianas Trench. I'm pretty sure that's the deepest part of the ocean. I don't know how we're going to get it to you, but we'll figure something out. But enter the contest, and 7 days later, we're going to pick a winner. I'll announce it on the channel, and somebody out there is going to be giddy with excitement when this thing shows up in the mail and they put it up for the first time in the air. So that's pretty much all I had for today. I want to thank you again for all the support you've shown the channel this year. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there. You definitely want to join the Drone Valley family because we have 5 more of these that we're going to be doing. And I'm telling you, as amazing as this is, and this is incredible, there's some incredible stuff coming. Hint, hint. So stay tuned to the channel if you get in on the rest of those contests. So good luck to everybody out there. Thanks again for watching. And until next time, happy flying.